If you click on this video, you probably want to know how to edit elements the same way. How can you edit your photos with filters, effects like shadows, autofocus, blur, and so on. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. So let's get started. First, when you click on your element and you click edit image, you don't have these tools here. So what you need to do is right click on your element and copy. Then go on Canva homepage and create a new design. YouTube thumbnail will be good, doesn't matter, and just paste your element here. Maybe put it to the center like this and click share, download, and don't forget to mark this transparent background. I know this is only for Canva Pro version, but you can also try 30 days free trial and you can use Pro version features for free. You can unsubscribe anytime in 30 days and it will be free and you can use all of the features. But I really recommend to subscribe and get this Pro version if you are really serious about editing in Canva, because you will get these tools and you also get these good looking elements. So I'm gonna continue. Click on your element, share, download. Don't forget to mark this box and just download. Okay, and here we go. And if you go back to your design, just delete this one. Go upload your element. Here we go. Just click on it. And now you can edit your element as a photo and you will have these effects and filters here. So you can put shadows, whatever you want. And this is how can you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you later. Goodbye.